Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we'll take a tour on the premises of the federal owned university in Lagos, popularly known as Unilag. Unilag is undergoing some rehabilitation and also some reconstruction of some projects. This is a federal owned university located in Lagos and also one of the most popular universities in Nigeria.
I'm currently at the University of Lagos and I'm here to make the video because of the rehabilitation that is going on within the premises of the school. So I also want to make it clear that this video, there might be changes prior to the date that this video was shot, and also there might be similar or minor changes. Anyways, my name is Emmanuel Bernard and this is a tour around the University of Lagos. The University of Lagos was founded in the year 1962 to also educate its citizens and also increase good education and improve the economical situation of the country. Anyways, before the University of Lagos was moved to Akuka Yaba, it was previously at Idi Araba. Then it was moved to Akuka after some changes and after improvement, and since it has been located to Akuka, this has been the permanent location since then. Also, a lot of people are schooled in this Unilag, University of Lagos as it is called, but we really don't know the major or the best part of the school yet, because a lot of people think being in the University of Lagos and how Lagos is populated that the school will barely have chance for students. Anyways, University of Lagos is one of the best universities in Lagos, in Nigeria, and also in Africa. In Lagos, there's two major universities, which is a federal university and a state-owned university. The state-owned university is LASU, known as Lagos State University, while the federal one is known as Unilag, which is the government federal-owned university. It's just like that in every state in Nigeria. Anyways, Unilag has been going through rehabilitation in terms of modeling and rebuilding the school. A lot of new infrastructures, a lot of buildings are also coming up. The Faculty of Arts went through renovation, and also many other faculties are also experiencing renovation. Some halls like the Adeolu Hall is also going through renovation, and many other places. Now there's also vehicles that will take you straight from the gate of the Unilag to any faculty you are going to. It has been made easier. Previously, getting a bus or a car to your own faculty is very hard, or your own department is very hard. And now also the student has more leverage over the school. What am I trying to say? Like, students are now given more access within the school vicinity, and that's why you could see that new students turns to celebrity within a day or a night. That's the power of connections. They meet people who have same spirits, who have same mindset, and they work together and they make things happen. I myself have been to this school a couple of times to check out the buildings, and the last time I was here it wasn't so nice as it is now. The park and also the garden and everything then wasn't looking nice, but now I could tell you for free that if you come here you're gonna enjoy the fresh air, the relaxation, and also a lot of things you are definitely gonna understand. I might be wrong in some aspects, maybe I'm over exaggerating, but trust me, Unilag is a different school entirely now. Unilag, after it was established in 1962 at Idi-Araba, it was moved to Akoko-Yaba in the year 1965. Unilag has been into existence for over 6 decades now and is standing so strong, and also it's one of the oldest universities in Lagos, though not the oldest but one of them.